In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the campaign and promotion template in Clickup. This process is straightforward and efficient, and by the end you'll have the template up and running for your campaigns and promotions. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and head over to Clickup's website. It's the go-to app for organizing work, making sure you have everything you need in one place. Once you're there, look for the login button, which you'll find at the top corner of the page. Click it and you'll be directed to the login screen. If you have your Google account linked to Clickup, this step is even easier. Simply click on Sign in to Google. This option is convenient and ensures a quick and secure login process. Once you've clicked, you'll see a prompt to select your Google account. Choose the account associated with Clickup and you'll be ready to access your workspace. Now that you're logged in, let's navigate to the template section. Look for the three little dots on your dashboard, which typically represent more options, and click on them. This action will reveal a drop-down menu. From the menu, select Templates. Here, you'll discover a variety of templates that Clickup offers to streamline your projects. Next, click on Browse Templates. This option allows you to explore all the available templates designed to boost productivity and keep your projects on track. In the search bar, type the word promotion to quickly locate our desired template without having to wade through all the options. Once you see the promotion template, click on it. This template is tailored specifically for managing campaigns and promotions effectively. Clickup provides this as an excellent foundation right out of the box. When you click on the Use Template button, you'll see an option to rename it. Feel free to customize the name to better fit your specific campaign or promotion needs. After renaming your template, click on Use Template again. This step finalizes the setup, making the template ready for you to use. Once the template is created and set up in your workspace, click on it to open and explore. Finally, this is where the real fun begins. You can edit the template to your liking. Customize it to better suit the specifics of your campaign by adjusting tasks, deadlines, and any other elements that will help keep your campaign organized and on track. And that's it. You've successfully set up the campaign and promotion template in Clickup. By now you should feel ready to dive in and start managing your campaigns more efficiently than ever. Thanks for watching and happy planning.